How's it going? Today I want to show you how I assemble this metal platform bed frame. Now, a few things I like about this bed frame. One, the legs are very sturdy. They're not going to bend or fold. They also have very nice sized bolts that anchor everything down, and it was very easy to assemble, especially by myself. The first thing you're going to want to do in step one is grab pieces. It's going to be A5, A6, A7, A8, and they're going to use the M1 bolts. The M1 bolt is the most bolts in the pack. You're going to put one bolt from the outside. You pretty much are making L's with each one of those, and those are going to act as our corner pieces. Next, you're going to go to step two. That's going to be the C3 and C4 attachments. Those are these rails. They are pretty much in halves, and you want to make sure that the C3 and C4 go on one side with the correct L pieces and then the other ones on the other side. It's very straightforward, and you're going to use two of the M2 bolts coming from the back side to anchor that in place. After that's done, you're basically going to have four large corners set up, and this part is probably the most difficult part. I would suggest doing it one at a time. It's really not too bad. You just have to be able to kind of angle it so that you can get the pieces attached. And then once they are attached, you're going to go ahead and put the L1 pieces on the sides and the L2 pieces on the front and back. Those are going to be anchored down with two more M1 bolts, and I just finger tighten everything, and then I came back with a drill for most of this. Step 7 is going to be the G2 piece. That's the middle rail that's going to support the middle part of the bed frame. That one gets anchored down with the M2 bolts on either end. You just fold it outwards. Next, you're going to get the middle pieces here, which is F3 and F4. Those attach in the middle, and you want to put the center bolt in before attaching the sides because the sides will need to flex in just a little bit to make sure it lines up. Once that is done, you come to the final step, which is going to be putting the actual slats in place. The slats are going to have these plastic caps on the back side. You want to make sure those are in place. I put it in the middle part first, and then I came through the back, and then I made sure both sides were pressed down. Overall, this is a very sturdy bed frame. I love how it's super minimalistic. You still have space underneath to store items, and you can easily fit this in a room and decorate around it. You don't have to deal with a massive headboard or anything like that. This is going to be perfect for bedrooms anywhere that needs a bed. This is going to be a great option because it's very straightforward and it's also very clean and easy to set up.